everybody, and welcome to my channel. So today I have a pride nail look. I had no idea what I wanted to do for this, and all I know is that I am starting with a white base and then going from there. So I first had little nail decals that I thought I would try to use, but I ended up not liking how this turned out, so I kind of ended up scrapping that idea. Instead, I thought that I could try to hand draw some rainbow roses. So I got out all of my colors. I did not have a lot of bright colors, so I was working with what I had, but I tried to draw some roses, and I ended up not liking how this turned out either. So at this point I had no idea what I wanted to do, and I said, well, let's just draw some lines, and that is what I did. So I'm just using a small thin brush to draw lines. And at this point I was like, okay, I could work with this. So I kept going and I changed up the direction of the lines, and I finally found something that I liked the look of. I was trying to decide if I wanted to do the entire nail, but the time that would take told me that I better not do that. So I just ended up doing one line in each color, and I really like how it turned out. So I ended up repeating that for all of the other nails. So I also thought I would add a few rhinestones just to make it a little bit more extra. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please let me know, and I will talk to you in my next video. Goodbye.